Welcome to 624 Winterside Drive, a beautifully maintained WestBay-built Nantucket floor plan in the Bay Breeze area of Mirabay. Built in 2014, this 2,558 square foot home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. This stunning home has been thoughtfully designed for both functionality and comfort, featuring a main floor primary suite, soaring ceilings, tall door frames, upgraded cabinetry, counters, lighting, and fixtures throughout. 2 secondary bedrooms and a spacious loft are located on the second floor, allowing for true split living functionality. One of the secondary bedrooms on the main floor is currently set up as an office with elegant glass French doors. Recent updates include a new roof installed in February 2025, a new lanai screen in 2025, new interior paint in 2023, exterior paint in 2021, a new LG refrigerator in 2023, a new pool heater in 2023, a new main AC unit in 2023, and a tankless water heater installed in 2021. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen, featuring a gas range, granite countertops, a large dining area, under-island storage, upgraded stainless steel appliances, under-cabinet lighting, and custom cabinetry with built-in storage solutions. Luxury flooring, crown molding, and a hardwood stairway add to the home's appeal, while stylish bathrooms and a spacious laundry room feature easy care flooring. Plantation shutters, 8-feet doors, and designer window treatments enhance the interior charm. Step outside to a private courtyard designed for entertaining and relaxation. This outdoor retreat features a built-in outdoor kitchen, a combination heated spa and pool, spool, and lush tropical landscaping, all within a screened and fenced enclosure. This home is located in Mirabay, a premier waterfront community known for its resort-style amenities and elevated, flood-resilient design, offering peace of mind and protection in storm seasons. The low monthly HOA fee includes landscaping, lawn care, and all water usage, including interior water usage and irrigation. Community amenities include a clubhouse, multiple pools, a 24-hour fitness center, a sauna, cafe, lounge, playgrounds, and courts for tennis, pickleball, and basketball. Residents also enjoy free kayak and paddleboard rentals for days spent on the water and the convenience of a golf cart-friendly community. This meticulously maintained home offers a functional layout, modern upgrades, and an unbeatable location.